It's a big bike. Oops. Heavy. Oh. Beautiful. Wow. And you have 3 shops.
Yes, 3 shops.
Amazing.
C'est bien Vicar qui fait.
And a live wire.
Comment dire?
Live wire. Is that electric?
Yes, the new one.
Incredible. That's very heavy, that bike. Oh, look how pretty these are. I can't even film, I'm getting a bit excited. Look at this beauty in red, a fully kitted out electric light. What a shop. Vin, you'd love it here. Look at the width. It's a work of art. Fabulous. Finn, you'll love it. That's a good one. Looks like the wheel's the wrong way around, but it is amazing. Don't forget to fill up with air. And of course, as you mentioned, the first electric Harley Davidson, 25,000 euros, the live wire. So you won't need any of this.